Trying to start a secret conversation on Messenger, but the option has suddenly disappeared? Don't worry, it hasn't been removed. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to access private, encrypted chats on Facebook Messenger with the latest update. Watch till the end to fully understand how secret conversations now work. Start by opening the Messenger app on your phone. Now tap the menu icon at the bottom right of the screen to bring up more options. From here, tap the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, scroll down a bit and select Privacy and Safety. Now inside this section, you'll see an option called End-to-End Encrypted Chats. This is the updated version of secret conversations. Messenger now encrypts all your personal messages by default, so you no longer need to start a separate secret conversation. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. You can tap End-to-End Encrypted Chats to see a list of your private conversations and adjust encryption-related settings if needed. If you open any chat now, you'll notice there's no longer a secret conversation option because all new personal messages are automatically secured with end-to-end encryption. And that's it. Your chats are now private by default, no extra steps needed. You can message just like before, knowing your conversations are now fully protected. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.